How to make a title page on Google Documents. So if you want to make a title page on your Google Documents, then simply go with your browser, go with your Google Apps, and go with Documents. And you can simply go with a blank document or an existing document. Now, once you're under your Google document, you just need to simply go with Insert, and then Break and Section Break, Next Page. And it will take you to the next page, and you will have the first page. Right. So under your first page, what you need to do is just go with Insert and Table. And under Table, you need to go with 1:2 table. And you'll have this kind of interface. You'll have the table like this. Right. So once you have the table, you just need to simply go with the first blank, and you need to enter the title. And on the next one, you need to enter the subtitle. So I'll just simply entering the title, which is this, for example, and then subtitle is like demo something, and just select the items inside the table, go with the alignment and select the middle alignment, and after that just enlarge the table until you're satisfied with it. Now once you have this kind of interface, now once again you need to select the text under your table, and then go with Insert, Format, Table, and then Table Properties, go with Cell, and then go with the alignment and choose Middle, and you'll have the middle alignment. Right. Now again, what you need to do is just go with the table properties, and then go with color, and go with the table border, and then select white, and your border has been removed. So you'll have this kind of interface. And if you have your page number on the upper left, you can simply go with the header, and then you can simply remove it. Just simply select your page number and then hit the backspace, and your page number will be removed. So that's it. There's your title page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.